Okay, so okay, so as I was saying, so then if I want to search for HTML, HTML, I can just search for HTML. If I search for HTML, just like that, it will bring out the different stuff about HTML. If I want to search about HTML on the W3 schools, so I can just search HTML hyphen colon W3 schools.com. Then you see W3 schools will be the first one I will see. Will be the first one I will see. So that is the power of using these symbols. So you can use the colon to search from a specific site. Okay. So, and also, when you are using Google to get your answers, try to keep your search simple. Try to keep your search simple. So when you keep your search simple, Google will be able to understand exactly what you want than when you write in a maybe more when you use big words. When you use big words, like if I just say what is HTML. So just watch HTML. It's a simple sentence. So unlike just using a big word, using all those big words to search for items. So when you use those big words to search for items, you may not get what you really want. So try as much as possible to use try as much as possible to keep your search simple. So okay. So also be concise in your search. So be concise in your search. When you're searching about a topic, don't just be writing everything about the topic. If you don't understand it, try to write it out. Then break it into different phrases to make your search more concise. Concise in the sense that it's only the most important, only the most important um, words you use. Just like you say this, yeah, this one keywords. When you search is concise, you'll find that you're using more keywords relating to your search than you'll find that you're using more keywords related to your search than explaining. For instance, if I want to know what an HTML form is, if I now start saying what is that thing that you use, that you put your 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 name, then put your you put your to somebody. So if you don't understand this concept of HTML form, so if you write that out, who can mistake it that you're searching for a line or maybe a line from a book or something. So it can bring out things you're not looking for. So but when you just use what is HTML forms? What are HTML forms rather? What is an HTML form? What's an HTML form used for? How to use an HTML form? Things like that. It's more concise and Google will be able to understand what you want Google to bring up for you. So and also use descriptive words. Try to describe as they're using concise words. Try to hello.
Mike is currently muted, right? That on mute.
Okay, can you hear me now? Okay. So do we hear what I said?
No, no, we
Yes.
didn't
So
muted.
where
We
did
muted, so
yeah, I was muted. So where where do where last did you hear me? Where did I lose you guys?
We're talking about making the searches concise as possible.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, I said we should make our search concise. Yeah, the longer the words we use in our search results. So yeah, I said keep your search concise as possible. So the longer the words you use in your search, the more ambiguous your search items will be. Yeah, the more the words, the more the items Google will feed back to you in your search. So keep your search simple. Use keywords related to your search. Try to find out the keywords. So if you find out that you don't know what you want to search for, just write it out. Try to just write it out and try to understand what you are searching for. And believe you me, you find out that there is a simple way you would have written that search. So you can always revise it. So yeah, use only important words. And I said this, but I don't know whether I was muted when I said it. But I give an instance. Let's I give an instance where someone that is new to HTML can say he wants to use this thing in HTML that will allow you to input your name, that will allow you to input your email, that will allow you to input your password, and allow you to submit it to another person. So what is that? So person may not know it, but when you write it down and try to search for it one by one, you will find out that yeah, there's a particular name for it, which is an HTML form. So if you now want to search about HTML forms, so searching about HTML forms will now be more concise, now be more easier. So that HTML forms, that forms, or HTML forms is now the keyword instead of writing those long stories that you would have written before. So try to find the keyword which will make you to so use descriptive words. Yeah, use descriptive words. But while doing that, try not to write too much sentences. Try not to waste words. Yes. Try not to waste words. Okay. So yeah, there are resources on the slides if you want to learn more about all we have talked about today.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
I'm going to send.
Sir.
Excuse me. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry for disturbing you.
Yeah.
Can you hear me, sir?
Okay.
Can you hear
Yeah.
me, sir?
Yeah. I can
Yeah,
hear you.
please. When is the class ending? Because I'm having headache and I don't want to leave the class. I just want to know.
Okay. Class will be ended by 7.
So can I take
But we
permission to
may
leave
end.
the class? Because I'm not feeling too
Okay.
well, please. Yeah.
Okay. The link will be sent to you guys, so you can just go through what you have learned already. I hope you
Okay,
get
sir.
your
So
syllabus.
yes, sir. Thank you. So I'm free to leave, right?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. So yeah, on this slide, there are links to learn more about this. And this front end materials, you can see many materials that will be useful in your front end journey. You can see many materials that will be useful in your front end journey. Yeah, so I'll give you the slides. It will be sent to you, to be shared with you guys. So you can just go through it. Since you don't understand, if you just follow the link will understand everything I've said. You help me understand everything I've said better. So I hope we all understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you have any questions pertaining everything I've said today or pertaining other things, so let me know. So you can just drop, you can either unmute yourself and say your question, or just drop it in the chat box. So if you don't have any questions, just say no questions. Just you can just let me know so that I will not wait too long. So I'm guessing we all understood everything that was taught today, right? Since I'm not seeing questions.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, shoot.
Um,
You can ask a
the
question.
question is about packets. The question is about packets. I did not really understand what it's like, the
Okay.
function of the packet.
So the packets are the names given to the small bit of information that we give out. So imagine an essay was written, right? Are you following me? Are you
Yes,
following me?
yes, I'm following.
Hello?
Yes, I'm following.
Okay. So imagine
Yes.
an essay as the information. So when you're sending each of these sentences to another person, you're sending each of these sentences to another person. So these small bits that you send these sentences to the other person in is called packets. So these are not they are not essays in they are not essays, but I'm liking this information to an essay. So imagine this information is an essay. So I'm sending small bits of this information to the client's side. So those small bits of those information I'm sending or those data I'm sending are called packets. So do you understand that now?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
They are called Akins, right?
Packets. Packets.
Akins.
Packets. Packets.
Okay.
Like packets of biscuits. Packet of
Yeah.
Packet
I
data.
get. Thank
yeah.
you.
And so
Excuse me,
you
sir.
also said that. So you also said that
Yeah, I
like
can hear you.
the packet enables the data to be updated quickly since it's sent in bits.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Right. Thank you.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. This can you explain a little about that SSL, secure
Okay,
socket
SS,
layer?
so SSL. Let me click it back to the slide so that you can see what I'm talking about.
Good evening, sir.
So the SS. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Sorry, are we going to get
Good
the slide
evening.
of the? Are we going to get the slide of
Yeah,
today's
it
class?
should be sent to you. It should be sent to you.
Thank you.
Okay. So this SSL, also known as is the full meaning secure socket layer. So this is like an added layer of security, which is what was brought about with HTTPS. So this added layer of security helps to helps to helps to make sure that there is no leak or there's no leak when you send this, there's no leak when you send sensitive information on the website. For instance, when you send when you want to buy something and you need to input your credit card number, your CVV, and all those sensitive information. So this SSL is a security that helps to maintain that when you key in this your data, it's not gotten by an external person, it's not by an hacker or someone and exploited. Get, for instance, there's sometimes that when you use HTTP, so if you use HTTP, just HTTP, so I use it to send this information. Someone at the back or someone can just steal from you, and use it. You can steal it to make purchases online, and you'll just be seeing debit alerts and all the stuff. So, but when you use this SSL helps to prevent people from stealing these details. So that's basic. That's what it basically does for you. You get that?
Yeah, I got it now. I got it.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
So is it sorry? Hello?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Good. Network is Japa.
We can hear you.
Okay, please, how can we set up the HTTPS and the SSL?
No, that's going to be after you probably own a domain. That's going to be
Oh,
after you own a domain name. So there's always a secure server you can people purchase it at times and you can integrate it to your website, I think.
okay. All right. Thank you.
So it's generally every web page is just HTTP. But when you want to make it more secure, it's just like paying for a dedicated server.
Okay, that's more like the work
So,
of those that host websites, right?
No, when you get to domain, it's just that's an introduction to everything we've been doing. Like this is how the internet works, how you
Okay.
can use web page, you know.
Hello? Sorry, I got cut off. Please, can you repeat your question for me? Hello, can you hear me?
I think the question he asked was how can you integrate the HTTPS to a website?
Okay. So, please, can we all mute ourselves so that we can hear?
Okay, we are with you.
Okay, so how can you integrate this SSL? So you can pay for this SSL certificates. Yeah, this helps to ensure that security is added to your website. So this you can pay for it while hosting. This is mostly paid for while hosting your website. So that's how you can add. Some hosting service give you this SSL certificate for free. So once you have the SSL certificate, that SSL protection is already ensured on your website. So your website is using HTTPS instead of the ordinary HTTP. You get that? You can unmute yourself and let me know whether you get that.
Recap. You should recap. Hello, please
Sorry, not yet.
recap.
Okay, what should I recap about?
Yes, about the integrating of the HTTPS to websites.
So this HTTPS you pay for. Okay, so when you are in your site, when you are hosting your website, you pay for these services. So you can choose whether you want your your website to be secured or not. So if you want your website to be secured, then you can pay and buy this SSL certificate. So this SSL certificate ensures that your website uses HTTPS. You get that?
Yes, I think I do.
Yeah, but some hosting service give you this SSL certification for free. So once you have this SSL certification, that means your website will be protected against such threats. You get that?
Yes, I think it's okay.
Okay.
so I can't hear
Anyone
what you're
have
saying.
Okay, can we proceed on the class now, or we are taking only questions for now?
now?
So, we have gotten to the end of the class. Thank
Okay.
you all for coming. Thank
Network is pretty bad.
so this can we all move?
Network is bad.
So the slide will be shared to your so we'll see it on the Slack group. So I will share it on Slack group now. So you can go through it and go to especially the last link that is on the resource slide. So go through that link. That link will be a very good help as you progress in your content journey. Okay, I wish you all a great evening. Goodbye, everyone.
Has the host left?
Yes.
Please said, Bob, thank you for your time now.
So the class is over.
Yes.
It is so bad.
And they say na 7 o'clock class go finish.
Why you can't leave now?
Class time. Time now.
Sorry, please, can I?
When person dey ballot, what the alpha? This time one need now.
No verse, my oga. It's just an introductory class now. I think they should
Please, can
work
I?
better on their internet connection. Yes, everybody can leave now.
Guy, I can't hear anything, bro. I can't hear anything. Bro.
And at the network now, the guys work on the internet probably the next week. We can comment after this class. We can comment on Slack and tell them what their lashes are now.
I what I'm doing honestly.
It's cool, sha. Introductory class. Try this best. Now him late come, now him first go.
So they take notes.
Inna dey hear your teacher. Now
No.
wow.
The guy is good actually. See, I still like to want to learn
What
from
we
him more.
happen now?
Nobody is an island of knowledge. Looking at
Definitely.
his Google page and what I'm trying to access his search page and I can see what he has been doing. The guy is very good, so I am not judging a book
His
by its
Google,
cover.
his Google page is mad, like God.
So you can imagine that. So it's just most of us when you are starting a new course like this, we also have to follow
Yes.
we follow through
Have
with
you
the introductory class. But when
you
you
wait, are you a beginner in this or you've been doing it already?
I've been coding since GSS 3.
Mad dude. So what you consider
But
on
no
boss?
resources then, and everybody needs a certificate to show for it. And this is Nigeria, if
Yeah,
you understand what I'm saying.
I understand.
But then it was just SHTML we are doing then. SHTML, I don't think there's a lot of rules. The HTML, no rules, like he said, markup language. So HTML no get problem. It is not programming yet. When you start getting to JavaScript, that's when you start knowing
I
no
swear
be beans.
JavaScript
JavaScript is the
iteration
thing, no,
after
it's the real deal for front end. It has
that
lots of
iteration
framework.
that iteration do me. That iteration mad.
That what?
But me say you need
Iteration.
certificate for this which are
Object
For what?
iteration.
the first say
What
sabi
is
the skill
iteration?
if you could. I'm not
You never
feel
reach
like say you
iteration.
need
Iteration is for JavaScript.
Yeah, no, it's not in JavaScript.
Iteration or iteration?
Or what do you call it? Is it iteration or iteration?
No, there's not like iteration. It should be iteration now.
About the application.
Or are you just talking about the syntax?
Ishawa?
I think are you just talking about the syntax for JavaScript, like you
Yeah.
program words? Oh yeah,
Yeah,
you should just use syntax. Anything you use to code a language is there should be they are called syntax.
yeah, bro.
It's actually
We actually beyond the don't take
crucial. This is going to be my first platform meeting so many developers, and it's nice. I wish we can all see how ourselves, but it's cool, man.
your
You
team.
know, when you are doing this stuff by yourself, people will look at you like this guy is crazy. You don't know.
We say Unilag now. That is it.
No. I'm not a student.
No, you're not a student, bro.
At all.
Apona, what have you designed lately?
Please, can anybody give a brief recap, please? Or we that came late like this?
No, he's going to send the slide to the general group on Slack, and then it's just an introductory class for everybody.
Oh, okay, all right. Thank you.
Introductory class on how the internet works, terminologies, or basic things you just familiarize yourself with.
Apona, what have you designed?
Yeah. What I've designed is that's a big question. No. Actually, the only thing I've not done is just host any website yet. Because hosting, you go pay for domain now, and when you get domain, you can't just waste it on some shitty websites. But I've been using
I think you should still have something now. It doesn't mean you don't need to buy
Of
them.
course, I do. I do have my works on I have my works on my laptop. Offline. Like I said, I've not hosted any of my works yet. And it's still this front end.
But you upload them on like GitHub, Postpen,
No, I said I have them offline. I don't upload yet. I'm still here to, host my work, and then with time we learn how to use GitHub for programming, not for this.
I don't know how to use GitHub.
Yeah, exactly. The console. I'm still learning. That's like I said, learning. But when you are doing something steadily for a longer time.
You go be shy. I pray this thing goes as planned for everybody.
Sure, now it will be certificate very important.
But no consistency matters in this thing.
Of course it does
Nice
now.
to hear from all
Consistency.
of
That's
you.
the reason why even for how long I've been doing this stuff, I'm still this way because life, Nigeria, now guys move here, there, do this, do that. You have to just abandon. And programming is not something you do with something else. It's going to take a long time to be inclined with it.
I swear, guys.
So if you want to do, you have to take your time and like, okay, let's focus on this thing.
I mean, going to
Yeah,
I just started.
it's
Oh my god.
I think our guy is back here.
I've not left.
Oh, my boss, no vessel. Make I mute myself back.
No, you are the boss, man.
No, like school. See, for real, I would like to ask you. I would like to, I don't know how to chat with this stuff. I'm still getting familiarized with this Microsoft team or whatever it's called. I'm trying to read the text. I don't know how to chat with people. I don't. Sir?
I said over time, learning from each other, everybody will become very good.
No, let me learn from you. I beg you. Is there a way we can contact one another here? Because I'm not seeing the platform, the interface yet.
I don't think it's a live chat on Microsoft.
So on the Slack, have you joined the Slack channel?
Let's. I'm on Slack already. Let's see how we can pull and show ourselves our works now. All right, boss.
Nice to meet you.
You're welcome, okay. No, it's a no. Let me say you're welcome. It's a no. For real now, the thing is actually you have mind though, like to tutor and do this stuff. Yeah, I'm always scared.
It's a first for everyone.
Okay, I'm dropping a message now.
Okay.
Yes,
so
that's it. My bosses, please.
I'll see you all on the Slack.
Now.
Thank you, boss.
Okay, now it's nice to meet you.